Virginia's dental community is locked in a dispute over two bills now moving through the state Senate. I'm Yiqing. This is WHRO News. The bills, backed by the Virginia Dental Association, would allow dental assistants to handle some cleaning and speed up licensing for some internationally educated dental professionals. Supporters say the changes could reduce waits for routine dental care by easing labor shortages. But dental hygienists are pushing back, particularly against the measure that would allow less trained dental assistants to clean part of the tooth. Derek Sven with the Virginia Dental Hygienists Association warns that could lower standards of care.
It creates what we call dysbiosis. It causes inflammation to progress. So what they're doing right now is literally trying to legislate malpractice.
Studies show workplace culture and limited flexibility are reasons many hygienists leave the field. Yiqing, WHRO News.